My name is Kevin Hill. I am the general manager at Spectrum Construction. Spectrum Construction is a specialty contractor. We work for the wireless and cellular industry. We do everything from build the towers to maintain the towers to pull fiber, run coax, basically all aspects of the wireless industry. Prior to working with Cogent, some of the areas where I think we were falling short were employees not having accurate understanding of what their responsibilities were. They wore too many hats. Some of the other areas we had issues with prior to working with Cogent were really analysis of the information. We really never sat down with our financials, picked them apart, knew what we were looking for as far as key performance indicators, how to read them, how to get that information back to allow us to improve. We never worked with a budget prior to working with Cogent, and now we have a budget for the upcoming year that's going to allow us to actually plan for growth rather than just wait and see if our customer is going to have enough work for us. When Cogent contacted us, explained who they were and what they did, I was excited to sit down and talk to somebody about it, because I knew we were at a time in our business that we just gone through a rough patch, and I wanted to get some changes going in the right direction. So the timing was right. They were there. We discussed, and it led to us using Cogent and being very happy with the performance. When Arlen came to Spectrum for the initial visit, the 3-day visit, it was very eye-opening. I found Arlen to be very intuitive. The questions he was asking and the way he probed to find out more about our business. But what the real eye-opener was when we sat down on the last day and he made some recommendations, and he was actually showing me areas that were very evident to him that could be improved, and things that I hadn't looked at. So it was very good, very eye-opening experience. Working with Jeff has been a real positive experience. The first day Jeff got into town, we met up. We had a discussion for quite a while. He found out more about my business, what it is that we do, how we do it. Asked a lot of probing questions. He also had the information that was gathered previously from Arlen. So he knew information coming in and hit the ground running. Then he was able to develop a project plan, which was, I think, a 5- or 6-page document that we sat down, we went through. He explained to me what we were going to be touching on in great detail and the different things that we'd be working on through the process. So it was very good to have that groundwork laid in the beginning, so I understood what it was we were going to be doing and kind of how it was going to progress. We really did not have good job descriptions for any of the positions at Spectrum. So one of the first things we did was set about identifying the key positions and then doing job descriptions for those. We had very, very poorly written job descriptions. The ones that Cogent helped develop are very detailed, very structured, and really set it up for the employee to be successful. They know everything that they need to do to achieve their job description. My confidence in using the tools of business that Cogent's provided are very high. We've got a working, spreadsheet that's for budgeting purposes that we will continue to use moving forward. We've got an estimating format that works specifically for our company that we're actually customizing a little bit. That makes sense to us and that we'll use moving forward. We've got a proposal log that allows us to track all of our bids, filter, look for different data and information that can be useful and helpful. We've also got our labor burden spreadsheet. So these are all tools that have been provided by Cogent that allow us to get metrics and more information to help us better manage the business and be on top of that. I would recommend Cogent to any business that is looking at where they are and not satisfied. I think Cogent provides a great service in that they're very good at looking at what you're doing and being able to offer advice on how to do it better or how to get to the next phase. And that's all part of the development when they're working with you and understanding where you want to go, what it is that you want to do.